I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 67 for grade 2 mathematics. What we are studying nowadays, that is shapes. Yesterday we started shapes with some of the 2D shapes. 2D shapes are the shapes which have two dimensions, okay, like length, height or width. So we studied first a square. This is the shape of a square, guys. This is the review of yesterday class. This is the shape of the square. It has four sides. You can see the four sides. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has four sides and it has four corners. This 1, 2, 3, 4. A flat surface of any shape is called sides. So this shaped square has four sides and four corners, and when one side meet another side, they make a corner. We also say corner a vertex. If there is one corner, we say vertex, or if there are more than one corner, so we say vertices. So if I ask you how many vertices are there, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many sides are there in a square? So there is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are four sides and four vertices in the square. And one thing we also noticed in a square, that all sides of squares are equal. And we learned the examples of a square like a dice, okay, and sometime window. Some windows are exactly on a square shape. The second shape we started, that is a rectangle. Rectangle is quite similar to a square, okay. It is also having four sides, four corners, I mean four vertices. But what is the difference between rectangle and square? That in rectangle all sides are not equal, only opposite sides are equal. If you see, this side is longer than this one, okay. So these longer sides are exactly equal to each other, and shorter sides are exactly to each other. So we get to know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal, not all sides are equal. So that is the main difference between rectangle and square. And we have also learned the example of rectangle, that cupboard, whiteboard, cell phone, tablet. These are the some examples of rectangle. We can find these shapes around us, all the 2D shapes. The third thing we studied, that is triangle. In triangle, we studied that there are three sides, 1, 2 and 3. Three sides in triangle, and there are three vertices. I can show you their vertices, I mean their corners. This is the first vertex. When this line is meeting this line, this is the second vertex, and this is the third vertex. So there are three sides and three vertices in triangle, okay. So this was the this is what we studied yesterday, and we are going to start from here now. Is there any problem up to here, guys? Yes.
No.
No.
Do you understand all these?
Yes.
Very good, very good.
Yes.
Yes. Play.
Yes.
Write this on notebook.
No, don't write it now. Don't write it now. Don't need to write it now. Don't need to write it now. Okay. All right, guys. Now we are going to learn one more shape, and that is circle. I should take back color. I'm going to draw a new shape, a new 2D shape for you. Guys, this is one of the, it is also one of the 2D shape. And what does it called? What is the name of that shape? Yes.
Circle.
There is no
Circle.
such by circle.
Hey, write this in
Circle.
notebook. Write this in notebook.
No, don't write it in notebook. I will tell you when you have to write in your notebook, okay?
Okay.
So this is circle, guys, right? How many? Can you tell me how many corners are there in circle? How many vertices are there? I mean,
No vertices.
can you find any corner in this circle? Any corner? No, you cannot find.
No.
You can look. There is no straight side. Even that is there is only one side. This is the side, but this is a curved side. We called it is a curved side. It is not a straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but from
and
vertices.
and there is no corner in circle, no vertex in circle. Okay, so we will write this is circle. So I'm writing its name. It is circle. It is circle, and there is only there is one curved side. It has I can write it has one curved side, and it does not have vertex. So guys, you can see there I write something about the circle, the properties of circle, that it is not having a straight side either. If you look at the triangle, these all are having a straight side. Okay, but this is a curved side. You can see the curve here. This is a curve. So circle has one side that is curved and it is not having a vertex. And too many examples are there for circle, like football, moon, ball, right? Is there any problem? You can look around yourself and you can find too many examples for the circle. Do you understand circle, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Circle
I
has no
found
sides.
something circle of shape.
Can you give me some example of circle? Yes. Can you give me some example of circle?
I don't have sheet. The circle and sheet.
Sorry, what you did?
Just I don't have sheet.
You don't have book?
No, I don't have sheet.
Which sheet?
Yeah.
Which sheet are you talking about?
What?
Which sheet?
Which is mass?
I don't have feet.
Oh,
I have notebook. I have
okay.
notebook all.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, I'm listening. All right. Okay, guys.
And there's
Well, I will open the chat. You can send message. By the way, chat is opened. Okay. Tire, clock, very good. Mohammed Faro. Earth, very good. Ball, orange, very good. These all are the examples of circle. Clock, very good. Coin, very good. Adam Khalid. Sun, very good. Very good, guys. So these all are the examples of circle. Now we have to study one more shape, that is semicircle. Semicircle. Guys, look here. What if I divide this circle I draw this circle, and if I divide it by a line like this. So guys, this is a circle. Now I divide this circle in divide this circle into two equal parts. Okay. Now I divide this circle into two equal parts. So this part is called as semicircle. This one. First part, these both parts are the semicircle. This is also the semicircle, and lower one is also the semicircle. If you look at this part, this is semicircle. When you cut a circle into half, so that becomes a semicircle. Look at here. This is a pizza, right? This is a whole pizza. If you divide it into two equal parts, so every part of it is in semicircle shape. Semi means half of the circle. So semicircle, if you see, so this is also having one curved side, one vertex, and one straight side. Two vertex are there in a semicircle. I can show you the vertex, guys. Look here. This is vertex, and this is also vertex, and this is the side. Okay, it has two sides. One is curved, this is curved, and one is straight. Okay, and it has two vertex, one and two. So semicircle is half of circle. It has one curved side and one straight side, and it has two vertices. So when you divide circle into half, so that becomes the shape of semicircle. Okay, the best example of semicircle is the D. Have you seen the D? Which we use this D. We use the D for mathematics, for measuring angles in geometry of mathematics, right? So this is one of the example of semicircle. Okay, when you divide circle into half, so that becomes semicircle. Guys, do you understand what is semicircle?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
When you divide circle
yes,
into two equal parts,
yes,
it becomes
yes.
semicircles.
If we cut the pizza, means if we
Exactly.
cut, if
If you
there is
cut if you
pizza in
cut the
one hole,
pizza,
we cut it.
yes.
If
If you
we
cut,
cut it, it will be circle.
yes. If you cut the pizza, if you cut any fruit like watermelon, okay, or anything. Have you seen the protector, guys? Protector is also the shape of semicircle. Semicircle.
Yeah.
Okay. When you divide circle
Okay.
into half, so that becomes the shape of semicircle. And what are the properties of semicircle? How many sides are have in semicircle?
How?
Yes, how many sides are there?
Mm,
Two sides are there. One
there
is
are
curved,
two sides.
one is curved, and
One after two.
one is curved, and
شو
Oh,
عنده خط واحد
it's a fraction.
وكذا اثنين
one is,
Starting now.
yes,
وهذه وعنده واحد
one is flat and one is curved. So you can write here. I am going to close the chat. Yes. What is semicircle? I'm going to write the properties of semicircle here. This is not the example of semicircle. This is only this is semicircle, right? This part is semicircle only. This is also semicircle. There are two semicircles now. I will erase it later on, okay? The lower part. So this is circle or semicircle. This is semicircle. It has one curved side, it has one straight side, it has two vertices. Look here. It has one straight side, one curved side, and two vertices. Okay. So guys, if I tell you to check any shape is a semicircle or not, okay. If I ask you to check any shape, you should know the properties. You should know that semicircle has two vertices and two sides. One of the side is straight and one of the side is curved. So you will check these properties in any shape and then you will tell that sir, is it semicircle or not. Okay. So these are the properties of semicircle. Is that clear, guys? Yes, is that clear?
Yes.
There is problem.
What
There is
problem?
problem.
What problem?
You forget to erase does. It does two vertex. It doesn't have two vertex.
Yes, it has two vertex. Look here. Sharif, look here. It has two vertex. This is one and this is two. Okay?
I asking for the circle. I
Sir.
ask
Yes, Sharif.
in the circle of shape.
We are not talking about circle. We are talking about semicircle. Okay?
Yeah, but erase does me. You're right. It does has two
Okay.
what? I
Okay. Do you understand what is semicircle?
yeah.
That's enough. Let's up to me. This is example of semicircle, guys, right? Look on your book, page number 96, guys. On the book, page number 96, we have here different shapes, understanding vertices, right? So we have this triangle. We have checked that there are three vertex in the triangle. This is one, this is two, and this is three. So there are three vertices in triangle and there are three sides, one, two, three. So we know that in a triangle there are three vertices and three sides. And we also discuss about the square and rectangle that they both have four sides and four vertices. We also studied about now circle or semicircle. A circle is having one curved side and no vertices, and semicircle is the shape when we divide circle into two equal parts, so that becomes semicircle. Semi means half. Semicircle is the half of the circle, right? And it has two sides. One of them is curved and one of them is straight, right? And it has two vertices. We can look here. The next shape which we are going to study, that is pentagon. These are the examples of pentagon, guys. These are the examples of pentagon. In pentagon, we have five corners and five sides. Let me count the corners for you first. Look here. This is the one of the corner. 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are four corners. I should draw for you this one. Look here, I'm going to draw a pentagon here. No, there is no option of pentagon. Wait for a while. Pentagon is having, guys, 5 sides and 5 corners. Wait for a while, please. So how data is converted into the information? It's very easy. It's very easy. You done that thing and you know very well. It's very easy. So everybody write the question. Everybody write the question in the notebook. Look here, guys. I'm going to show a new one. This is the example of pentagon.
Yes.
Right, guys? You can see here there are 5 sides. Look here, there are 5 sides. 1 and 2. Look here, guys. There are 5 sides in pentagon. This is 1. This is 2. This one is 3, guys. Look here. This one. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. This is the example of pentagon, guys. Look here, there are 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many sides are there in pentagon, guys? Yes?
5.
5.
I know.
Five.
Pentagon is 5.
5 sides.
5.
If you count its corner, guys, so they are also 5. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. So if I write about pentagon, it is pentagon and it has 5 sides and it has 5 vertices. In pentagon, we have 5 sides and 5 vertices. Is that clear to you guys? Yes, is that clear to you?
Yes.
Now you have to tell me.
No shape. But no shape. Shape of pentagon.
Yes.
Pentagon. I say I don't have shapes of pentagon. Pentagon.
First you have to be clear that pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Pentagon have 5 sides and 5 corners. Okay. If you see pentagon, if you count its corners, so there will be 5. Right? And you must have seen the guy's home. The home room is designed on the pentagon shape. Now you have to tell me, guys, that how many sides are there in rectangle, triangle, and in other shapes. So I'm going to open the chat for you guys. First, you have to tell me how many vertices are there in triangle. The question is, how many vertices are there in triangle? Yes, guys, how many vertices are there? Hamedo, Fadi, Adam, Sharif, 3, Saud, Adam, Khalid, Muhammad, Saud, Muhammad Haitham, very good. Fadi, very good. Saud, Muhammad, Maggie, Sharif, Asar, very good, very good. Okay, and how many sides are there in square? How many sides are there in square, guys? 4. 4. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good. Muhammad Hatham, Makki. Very good, guys, very good. Okay, and how many sides are there in semicircle? How many sides are there in semicircle? No, there are 2 sides, not one. Okay, there are 2 sides in semicircle. One is curved and one is straight. There is not one side. There are 2 sides in semicircle. One is curved and one is straight. Now I'm going to ask by some of the students. Okay. Anas. Anas, can you hear me? Anas, can you hear me? Anas. Anas, can you hear me? Anas. Okay. Os.
Yes, sir.
Os, can you tell me something about rectangle? Some properties of rectangle?
Out this rectangle.
Yes, rectangle. Tell me the some properties of rectangle.
Rectangle have 4 sides
Okay.
and like the
How many vertices does the rectangle have?
what?
How many vertices in rectangle?
What rectangles?
Vertices. Corners. How many corners are there in rectangle?
5.
Mm-hmm. How 5?
One up and one right and one down.
Look here. This is vertex. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many vertices are there?
4.
4. How many vertices are there?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right?
Right.
There are 4 vertices in rectangle. Vertices means corners. Thank you. Okay.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 Yes, sir.
Guys, what is the difference between rectangle and square?
rectangle has four sides
Exam.
of four
I can't get it. I'm going to open the chat. You have to tell me in the chat. Guys, answer me in the chat box. What is the difference between square and rectangle? Yes, answer me. What is the difference between square and rectangle? In a square, all sides are equal, whereas in rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. Look here. This is the example of rectangle. Here only opposite sides are equals, whereas in square, you see all sides are equal. So this is the main difference between rectangle and square. In a square, you have all equal sides. However, in rectangle, you have only opposite sides equals. So this is the end of our class, guys. Inshallah, I'll meet you into the next class. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Bye,
bye. Bye bye.
bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
sir. Sir. Bye, sir. Bye, bye.
Bye bye.